Hi, I'm Brian with Hanning Law Limited, attorney for businesses and creators. We've talked a couple of times about copyright, and today I wanted to go back to the basics of copyright. In other words, what exactly does copyright protect? And while copyright is generated through the Constitution, most of all of the questions of copyright actually are answered through the Copyright Act itself, which is Title 17. And this is a situation where that is true because copyright protection is granted in Section 102A, i.e., copyright protection subsists in original works of authorship fixed in any tangible medium of expression from which it may be perceived and reproduced. I have paraphrased this slightly. I will link it in the description below. Now, those works of authorship are the categories that you've heard a lot. Literary works, musical works, including words, dramatic works, including music, pantomimes and choreographical works, pictorial, graphical, and sculptural works, motion pictures and other audiovisual works, sound recordings, architectural works, including shipbuilding designs, which is fun. But those are the broad categories where copyright exists. And once somebody writes a song, performs a poem, sculpts a piece, copyright protection exists. We'll talk about registration some other time, but the basic and most elemental form of copyright comes from the act of creation where somebody else can enjoy that art, with an exception. The exception is 102B, and copyright does not protect ideas, processes, discoveries, facts, and the like. But what that means is the underlying idea doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you've had the best idea in the world. What matters is that you've expressed that idea, and it is through your expression that copyright exists. There are many, many stories of the one chosen hero who goes out and saves the world from a evil, villainous person. That is the idea. The expression is the new story being created out of that idea. A documentary or biography that lists dates, names, places, actions done there, referencing, sources, those are facts. Those are potentially discoveries. It is what has happened. That does not get copyright protection. You go play a game with your friends and you roll dice to determine an outcome. That's a random number generator. You can play any number of games where you have a random number generator. It is the setting, the drawings on the cards of the book involved, the board, any sculptures involved. Those enjoy copyright protection, but not the mechanic that resolves the action. Copyright is very broad. It covers a wide array of things, and it's designed in part to let people create as much as possible and to benefit those authors and creators. With all that, I'll talk to you next week.